Class 9 Science, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. Worksheet number 3, Change of states, fusion, vaporization, sublimation, freezing, condensation and deposition. 1. Fusion, melting. Definition: fusion is the process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating. Explanation: when heat is supplied to a solid like ice, its particles gain energy and overcome the force of attraction to become liquid. Example: ice melting into water. Real life: butter melts when kept outside the fridge. 2. Vaporization, boiling, evaporation. Definition: vaporization is the process by which a liquid changes into a gas on heating. Explanation: the liquid particles gain enough energy to break free and become gas. Example: water boiling into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Real life: wet clothes drying in the sun. 3. Sublimation. Definition: sublimation is the process in which a solid changes directly into gas, skipping the liquid state. Explanation: some solids like camphor, dry ice, and naphthalene balls directly become gas on heating. Example: camphor disappears when kept open. Real life: naphthalene balls vanish in cupboards. 4. Freezing, solidification. Definition: freezing is the process by which a liquid changes into a solid on cooling. Explanation: when a liquid loses heat, particles slow down and settle to form a solid. Example: water freezing into ice. Real life: ice cubes forming in the freezer. 5. Condensation. Definition: condensation is the process where a gas changes into a liquid on cooling. Explanation: gas particles lose energy and come closer to form a liquid. Example: water droplets on the outside of a cold glass. Real life: fog on a mirror after a hot shower. 6. Deposition, desublimation. Definition: deposition is the process where a gas changes directly into a solid, skipping the liquid phase. Explanation: opposite of sublimation. Example: frost forming on cold surfaces. Real life: snow forming directly from water vapor in cold air. Small diamond short answer questions. Q1. What is sublimation? Give 2 examples. Q2. How does condensation differ from vaporization? Q3. Define fusion. Mention one real-life example. Q4. What happens to the energy of particles during freezing? Q5. What is deposition? Write one everyday example. Small diamond answers. E1. Sublimation is the change of solid directly into gas without becoming liquid. Examples: camphor and dry ice. E2. In condensation, gas changes to liquid on cooling. In vaporization, liquid changes to gas on heating. E3. Fusion is the change of a solid into a liquid by heating. Example: ice melts to become water. E4. During freezing, particles lose energy and move slower, becoming tightly packed as a solid. E5. Deposition is the change of gas directly into solid. Example: frost forming on a cold window. Class